Welcome to J&H Tech Tips. How to remove and reinstall the bobbin case on a Brother or a Babylock sewing machine without having the problems that I see machines come in with all the time. Best thing to do is take your plate off, and at this point, if everything was sewing okay, take a picture of what you see, because then you can look at the picture to see how to put it all back, how to get it back correctly. So right now I'm going to take my bobbin out, my bobbin case out, and we're going to remove our needle plate. Okay, so the biggest mistake that everybody makes is they decide to put the bobbin case back in first. And right here, the bobbin case is supposed to set up against this little spring. You can kind of just barely see it moving right there. But if you get this moved while you're putting the needle plate back on, what happens is, if I just press down on this, do you see I cannot move the bobbin case at all? Because underneath the bottom side of this needle plate has things that are supposed to hold this bobbin case in position correctly. So right now, if you watch, I can move this bobbin case back and forth, no problem. But there again, if I press down on this, you know, like simulating that I have the screws tightened down, I can't turn this at all. Well, if I can't move this bobbin case, the thread is not going to go around the bobbin case and it's going to jam up. You'll get an instant thread's nest right underneath your needle plate. So just remember, the simple steps to put all of this back in there correctly is to, number one, put the needle plate on first. This is the most important step. You put the needle plate on, you put the needle plate screws in place, and then you snug. You just have to be good and snug. These screws do not have to be Herculean tight. So you're going to make them good and snug. And now then, what I was explaining to you about the bobbin case getting stuck underneath the needle plate and then tightening the screws down so that this won't move, giving you an instant rat's nest underneath your needle plate, this cannot be put in incorrectly. So if we put that down in there, see I can still move this back and forth a little bit. It can't get hung up in there. And so now then, we put our needle plate cover back over, bobbin case cover. We pull our thread in there. Now remember, when you pull on the thread on a drop-in bobbin, your bobbin should be turning counterclockwise. So I always hold my finger on this, pull it around, and then trim my thread. And now I'm ready to sew. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comments section below if you were having problems getting your bobbin case installed correctly. I'd like to know if this video helped you.